Hello guys, welcome to Barista Experience Academy. And today I'm going to bring you for a quick tour. Come in. Now this is our classroom for Barista students to enjoy learning. Now first step, we always introduce our coffee bar. This is where our Barista students would get to use. Let me introduce you. We have latte Bianca, a dual boiler E61, where you can play around with the pedal shift. And also in terms of manual espresso maker, we have this PicoPresso, a full set, which is my personal favorite. Now, if you talk about grinders, we are not lack of grinders. We have a few legends over here. First, we have VS3, a conical grinder. This is the grinder that we love to use for milk coffee. It's very intense and very bright. And next we have E80, E80S by Malconic. Also, our favorite speed is all about speed and consistent. And sitting next to it is the iconic specialty coffee EK43, the standard version. All right. So all these machines, usually our barista students can get to enjoy. And another one will be our commercial machine, a commercial grinder. This is Eureka Atom 65. And sitting next to it will be Fellow Oat. This is the machine that we usually use to do filter coffee. And also, speaking of filter coffee, there's one grinder we cannot miss, Comandante. So our barista students will get to enjoy this grinder by using them. And also, one very nerdy merchandise. This is high extraction basket from Pasado. If you talk about a very nerdy basket, we have to recommend you to come and try our nerdy machine for geeks and coffee nerds. This is Decent Espresso DE1 XXL. So we have two of these, and let's go around over here. We have another one. Usually the barista student, we get to sit here and enjoy the class. Few more machines over here. Rocket R58 E61 group head, and we have Anfim. This is Cody 2, and also we have a very trendy in terms of aesthetic look. It's Victoria Arduino's Eco 1 Prima saturated group head. All right, all these barista students can get to use. This is famous for reliability, famous for taste, famous for sweet shot, and this is a V1, the first gen of Lama Zoko Linear Mini. So this is our quick tour. So if you are interested to join our barista skill training, please shoot us DM, send us a WhatsApp, or leave us a comment. And until next time, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.